In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment gateways in GoHighLevel, step-by-step guide. Getting paid should be simple, and connecting a payment gateway in GoHighLevel is the foundation for invoices, checkout pages, and automated billing. I'll walk you through the essential clicks, explain what you'll see on each screen, and share a few tips so your setup is smooth the first time. Start inside your GoHighLevel account and head to the left-hand menu. Click Payments. This is your central hub for everything related to collecting money, products, invoices, subscriptions, and of course, gateways. Quick tip before you proceed. If you manage multiple sub-accounts or locations, double-check you're in the correct one so the connection applies to the right place. If you don't see payments or certain options are grayed out, you may need admin permissions. Once you're in the payments area, click Integrations. This tab is where your payment providers live. Think of it as the control room for connecting GoHighLevel to the services that actually process cards and digital wallets. You'll see available providers listed here with a brief description or logo, along with a connect button for each. Next, select Payment Providers. Take a moment to choose the one that best fits your business. Consider the regions you serve, supported payment methods like major cards and digital wallets, fees and payout timelines, currencies, and the reporting tools you prefer. If you already use a provider for other parts of your business, sticking with it can keep your accounting and reconciliation consistent. If you sell internationally, confirm that the provider supports the countries and currencies you need. When you're ready, click Connect on the provider you select. A new window or tab will open, prompting you to sign in and authorize the connection. If you already have an account with that provider, you'll simply log in and approve access for GoHighLevel. If you're new to the provider, you may be guided through a quick onboarding flow to add your business details before authorizing. When you return to GoHighLevel, look for a confirmation that the status is connected or active. You may also see options to set a default gateway or adjust preferences depending on the provider. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the Connect window doesn't appear, disable any pop-up blockers and try again. Make sure your business address and legal name match what your provider has on file to avoid verification delays. And while not required, many teams run a small test transaction to confirm the connection before going live with customers. That's it. You've connected a payment gateway in GoHighLevel, paving the way for faster checkouts and smoother invoicing.